Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to view Facebook stories anonymously. So let's get started the video. One way to view Facebook stories anonymously is by using airplane mode. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone and let the stories load on the main feed. Once the stories are loaded, swipe down to access your control center and enable airplane mode. This will disconnect your device from the internet. Now you can view the stories while in airplane mode. Since your device is offline, Facebook won't register that you have seen the stories. After viewing the stories, close the Facebook app completely before turning off airplane mode. Finally, disable airplane mode. This way Facebook won't record your story views. Another method is to use third-party websites designed for viewing Facebook stories anonymously. Simply open a web browser and search for Facebook Story Viewer. Websites like Stories Down or Story Saver can help you view stories without logging in. Please note, using third-party websites come with risk. Ensure they are trustworthy and secure to protect your privacy. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.